He told something, or he said me something. I don't know.
Did he say something? Or tell you something?
Oh, this one. Very common. Say and tell. They look similar, but they don't work the same. And you can hear Emma. She knows the idea, but the structure is mixed. And when you mix say and tell, the sentence feels wrong, even if the meaning is clear.
Yeah, same situation, different structure. And that's where people get stuck.
All right, I'm Zavara, and today we fix something very practical: how to use say and tell correctly. This comes up in conversations all the time.
I'm Oren. Day 11. Small change, big clarity.
Let's go step by step. Say, speak words. He said something. He said something. Tell, give information to someone. He told me something. He told me something. Ask, request information. I ask a question. I ask a question.
Answer, reply to a question. She answered me. She answered me. Explain, make something clear. He explained it. He explained it. Repeat, say again.
Now, very simple. Say, no person after it. You just say something. He said something. Tell needs a person. He told me something.
So this is the key. Say something. Tell someone something. Yeah, that someone is the difference. Don't forget it.
He said me something. I didn't understand.
What did he say?
Yes, I asked him to repeat.
And did he explain it?
Yes, he explained me again.
Emma said, he said me something. I didn't understand. We fix it. He told me something. I didn't understand. Then, I ask him to repeat. We improve it. I asked him to repeat.
Then, he told something about the meeting. We correct it. He said something about the meeting. And finally, he explained me again. We fix it. He explained it to me again.
He told me something. I didn't understand.
What did he say?
He said something about the meeting.
Okay, and did you ask him?
Yes, I asked him to repeat.
And did he explain it?
Yes, he explained it to me again.
Now it sounds clear.
Yeah, no confusion.
Your turn. Focus on structure. He said something. He said something. He told me something. He told me something. I asked a question. I asked a question. She answered me. She answered me. He explained it. He explained it.
Imagine this. Someone tells you something. Before you say, he said me, and it feels wrong. Now you say, he told me. Clear, natural.
Yeah, small change, big difference. Before, say and tell were confusing.
Now they're clear.
Today you can now use say and tell correctly in real conversation. Simple, clear, done.
See you in day 12.